All right, this is Saturday, April the 17th, 2021, and the dark rain clouds loom overhead. It rained through the night last night. Woke Steven up. He's very sensitive to hearing rain on the roof. We see these dark, looming clouds overhead. So it's probably going to rain again today. But last night, Steven cleaned up all the horse manure off of his, and that's putting it politely, manure. He cleaned up all the horse manure off of his truck from the Mennonites' horses on the road. So right now he is, I saw him out earlier with his buffer. Didn't I see you buffing the truck? Oh, that ladder came in handy. Wow, look at that. That ladder that I got from JCPenney's came in handy.
Wax in the sun, because especially on this black paint, that stuff would dry so fast on you, you'll never get it off. You'll have white paste stuck to it everywhere. You don't want to do that. So.
And you said you found out the hard way?
Sure I did. When I was a kid, I found out the hard way. Stuck a big old spot, and I spent the next week or two trying to get it off.
Huh. Were you eventually able to get it off?
I don't think I ever got it all completely out.
So the rule, the takeaway is that you wax on a cloudy day.
Yep. Or under a carport.
So that the sun doesn't bake it on.
Yeah, unless you just do little spots about that big where you can get it off before the sun dries it. So you from the 70s, some stuff that's from the 70s called Carnauba Wax.
Whoa, wait a second. You've had this since the 70s? I mean, not that same can.
I didn't buy it from the 70s, but it was from a garage.
What do you mean? They've had it around since the 70s?
Peter had it.
So that's actually from the 70s?
Yeah, that's back from the 70s.
And it lasted like that?
Yeah. Good stuff.